Right now, billions of invisible organisms are all around you. Some can live on their own, others must hijack your cells to survive. One can be killed with medicine, the other can turn your own body into a virus factory. So what's the real difference between a bacteria and a virus? Bacteria are actually living organisms. They can eat, grow, and reproduce completely on their own. Some bacteria are dangerous, but many are actually helpful. In fact, trillions of bacteria live inside your body right now, helping digestion and protecting you from disease. But harmful bacteria can still cause deadly infections, which is why doctors use antibiotics to kill them. Antibiotics work because bacteria are living cells. Viruses are very different. A virus is not really alive. It cannot eat, it cannot reproduce, it cannot survive alone. A virus must invade a living cell and then hijack its machinery. Once inside, the virus forces the cell to produce thousands of new viruses. This is exactly how viruses like SARS-CoV-2 spread through the human body. Your own cells become virus factories. Now, here's something even more shocking. Viruses are incredibly small. A typical virus is about 100 times smaller than most bacteria. If a bacterium were the size of a football, a virus would be smaller than a grain of sand. This is why viruses are much harder to detect and stop. Many people think antibiotics can cure everything, but antibiotics only work against bacteria. They do absolutely nothing against viruses. That's why diseases like the flu or COVID are so difficult to treat. Every day, your immune system fights millions of invading microbes. But sometimes, a single virus can enter one cell and turn it into a factory producing thousands more. An invisible war is happening inside your body right now, and most people never even realize it.